Hey everyone, what's up? So today I want to show you guys how to download some free transitions and titles to your videos. So if you follow a lot of different vloggers or lifestyle or travel vloggers, you'll see that sometimes they use these really nice transitions, either to swipe left, swipe right, different glitches on their videos, different things like adding birds to your videos, which is a new thing apparently. And I'm going to show you guys how to download those down into Final Cut Pro for free. And also I wanted to note that if you are running Adobe Premiere or another editing software, this video may not be too helpful for you, but if you're still interested in how to do this on Final Cut Pro, please stay tuned. It's a really easy process and it's free assets that you're going to be getting, so it's definitely a good resource to use. And I really enjoy this YouTuber that I'm going to show you because he has really great transition packs that he makes on his own. And make sure to subscribe if you are a fan of this channel and want to see more content. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing you want to do, you want to go down into my description. I'm going to have a link to this YouTube channel here for Ryan Nangle. He's essentially a videographer who also makes videos on his different transitions or titles that he's made. Grab the link down below, put that into your browser. You should be landing on his homepage. From there, you want to click on videos. And here you're going to see all the different types of different LUT packs, which do color correction, transition effects, sound effects, stock footage, just a ton of different options. You can just sift through these and see what you need. Today I'm going to show you an example using glitch title. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to Control F and then just search for glitch. So this is the one that I want. You want to click on it. And the glitch title, to show you guys, it's going to look like this. Not with that font, but that effect. So what you want to do, in his description, there's going to be a link for a free download. Click on that. You're going to get taken to this screen right here. So it's one free glitch title. And it tells you right here the system requirements. You want to make sure you have Final Cut Pro 10.2.1 or above. Then this is free, but if you want to put in some money for him, you can do so there. If you don't want to, then you can just do 0 and click Buy Now. So on this page, you want to enter your information, country, state, your email. Make sure to put an email that you actually use, because what will happen is that he'll send you a download link for this title. Once you're done with this form, click download. You get an email fairly quickly, less than 10 seconds, with a download link. That download link opens to here, so it'll say thanks for your purchase, the actual title or transition that you chose, and then you want to click where it says download. Once it downloads, it's going to be in a zip file, so you want to make sure you have some sort of zip extractor app. It'll look like this: glitch title or unzip. Unzip it, and then you're going to get a folder. Inside the folder here is going to be 2 folders. You don't have to worry about that. All you want to worry about is this main folder right here. So next thing you want to do, you're going to click and open a new Finder window. Then you're going to click on Movies. And then after that, Movies, essentially, if you don't know, is a place where iMovie and Final Cut Pro store all the files. And you want to look for Motion Templates folder. So this is where all of the titles, effects, transitions are stored for your Final Cut Pro app. So you click there. And if this is completely empty for you, it's okay. We can make the folders. If you do have the folders, please stay tuned. I'm going to just quickly go over how to make the folder if you don't have it. So since this is a title, you want to create a title folder like this one. So that's just clicking and making a new folder. You can also do it from here in the gear option, new folder. When you make that, you want to title it titles exactly like this, because if not, it won't work, right? Then I'm just going to delete this because I already have one. So in this titles folder that you created, you're going to click again, right click, and then do get info. And here under names and extensions, this is the important part. You want to make sure it says titles.localized. So I'm going to leave this in the description as well if you just want to copy and paste, but this is essentially what it should say. If it doesn't say that and you try to add the title, it's not going to work. Close out of that. Then what you want to do is just drag this folder into that titles folder. And if I do, it's just going to say that I already have it. So once it's in there, you can go ahead and open up Final Cut Pro. Then you're going to notice that under your titles, so that's this pane right here, you're going to have a glitch title or an asset. And this is essentially the title that you downloaded, which is really awesome. So the next step is just you want to click that, drag it into your timeline wherever you want to place it. And then it's going to it'll look like this if you put it over a clip, or it'll look like this if you put it on its own. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. This is just one quick example with this glitch title. If you want to download anything else, it's the same exact process. If it's a title, you want to make a title folder. If it's a transition effect, you want to make a transitions folder, again, with that transitions.localized in the get info pane. And make sure that you close out and go back in to Final Cut. If you don't see it, it should load on its own, but if you don't see it, that's a good way to just test it out to make sure it's for sure being applied in the app. That's about it. And then you can just go ahead and add your transitions in, export, and upload to YouTube or Vimeo or wherever you upload your content. So if you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, if you did, please make sure to subscribe down below. Leave me a comment if you have any questions on how to set this up. I know maybe it can be a little confusing, but I think it's fairly simple, and if you do it enough times, it should be a pretty quick process. Thank you guys all very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.